Hello guys, good evening everyone. How is your day today? I need to exercise man. My back is a little paining. I want to move. I hope you don't have problem. Our day is good and smooth. Me a little tired today, but can manage. Can still manage. I just want to see how are you everyone. How is your day? And good night. Sleep tight, sleep well, sweet dreams, and see you tomorrow. I need to exercise a little bit. Move my body. Yes, my back is I want to exercise. Good night, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Bye.